Automated welding doesn't have to be complicated. The CRAFTWELD Craft-Cobot 1.8 combines modern robotics with simple operation, making automated welding processes accessible for a wide variety of businesses. The collaborative 6-axis robot was developed for welding, handling, and assembly applications, and can be flexibly integrated into existing production environments. With a reach of 1,804 millimeters, the Cobot reaches even complex workpiece geometries safely and precisely. With a payload of up to 5 kilograms, the Craft-Cobot is designed for a wide range of automated welding tasks. The smart control is located directly on the arm. Important work steps can be carried out directly on the system. Parameters can be set quickly and clearly via the integrated display. A 3D joystick enables fine readjustment of the robot position and simplifies the setup of new tasks. New welding paths can be easily taught by hand guidance. This reduces programming effort and significantly speeds up commissioning. Optimized CAM and process controls reduce rework and ensure consistently high quality. The welding system, optimized for MIG welding processes, works with welding currents from 30 to 500 amperes and supports MIG pulse, and the special low spatter process for reduced spatter formation at maximum welding speed. The CRAFTWELD Craft-Cobot 1.8 combines simple automation, high welding quality, and maximum flexibility in a compact robot solution for modern manufacturing.